Fear is only in your imagination. Treatment doesn't really cure fear and build confidence. So there is no cure for your fear. Fear is real and we must recognize it exists before we conquer it. Fear is success enemy. It stops people from capitalizing on opportunities. Fear closes your mouth when you want to speak. It actually makes people sick. Above all, it shortens life. Fear is a powerful force in a way or another, so it prevents people from getting what they want from life. As part of your pre-preparation, condition yourself with the fact all confidence is acquired and developed. No one is born with confidence. No one is born with confidence. Those people you know who look like confident are those who have conquered worry, acquired confidence, every bit of it. You can too. When we face problems, we stay mired in mad until we take action. Action cures fear and hope is a start. Action cures fear and hope is a start. But hope needs an action to win victories. Hope needs an action to win victories. Put the action principle to work. Don't care other things. Next time you experience big fear, little fear, study yourself. Then search for an answer to the fear. What kind of action can you take to conquer your fear? Remember, hesitation only enlarges, magnifies the fear. So take action promptly and be decisive. Your mind is very much like a bank. Every day you make thought deposit in your mind bank. If these thoughts deposits grow, it becomes your memory. Your mind bank automatically answers and supplies thoughts relating to the situation that you deposited previously. Your memory is the basic supplier of raw materials for your new thoughts. Teller is your mind bank. It is tremendously reliable. If you approach and say, I am inferior to everything else, Teller, that is your mind bank, says, yes, you are inferior. And it goes on to say, recall how you failed 2 times. Recall what your teacher said. Recall what your parents said. Your mind bank goes on digging out thought by thought. That way it proves you are inferior. Every day you make positive thought deposit in your mind bank. When you visit your teller, that is your mind bank, with the request, I face difficulties in decision making. So this time, Mr. Teller says, you can succeed. Recall, excellent job you did. Recall how much confidence you have. So here, 2 special things important. Number 1, deposit only positive thoughts in your mind bank. Number 2, withdraw only positive thoughts from your mind bank. Nowadays we have psychological consultants, psychiatrists. They handle many type of cases, mostly marriage problems, psychological adjustments, and career failures and breakups. So they are all dealing with the mind. You know, psychological consultants, appointments and their sessions, no need forever. If we do one thing, destroy negative thoughts. Destroy negative thoughts before they become monsters. We have so many monsters in our day-to-day life we face. Some are failing in exam, career failure, job failure, relationship failure, etc. In recent times of India, upward of 30,000 plus Indian citizens committing suicide every year. So, what one remembers from the past color, what one sees in the present. When we quit withdrawing negative thoughts from our mind bank, only then we headed towards recovery and become successful. Everyone encounters plenty of unpleasant, embarrassing, and discouraging situations. Unsuccessful people, successful people deal with the situations in directly opposite ways. Unsuccessful people take them to their heart. So to speak, they dwell on unpleasant situation. They don't take their minds away from them. At night, while they go into the bed, the unpleasant situation is the last thing they think about. Successful people, on the other hand, don't give it another thought. They specialized in putting positive thoughts into the mind bank. At night, while they go into the bed, they recall good things and deposit good thoughts into their mind bank. Your mind wants you to forget the unpleasant situations and past. It will happen only if you just cooperate. Unpleasant memories will gradually destroyed from your mind bank. Your confidence, that feeling of being on the top of the world, zooms upward. There is within each of us a desire to be right, think right, act right. When we go against that desire, we put a cancer in our mind bank. Doing what is right keeps your consciousness satisfied, and this builds self-confidence. To think confidently, you need to act confidently. Smile until your teeth show. You feel like happy days are here again.